Welcome to the Ha Giang Loop and travel with Coconut Joe. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ha Giang Loop Day 2 with Coconut Joe. After a great night's rest and a hearty breakfast, we geared up once again. Plastic raincoats over our warm jackets and pants. Then it was time to hit the road. The views today were absolutely breathtaking. I have to say, this motorcycle tour was the highlight of my Vietnam trip. If you are considering it, definitely go for it.
Do it, it's amazing.
If you're an experienced rider, you can drive yourself, but just don't forget to bring your international driver's license. Or if you would rather just relax and enjoy the scenery, hop on the back of one of these bikes and enjoy the ride. The Ma Pi Lang Pass is considered the king of Vietnam passes. And the Mio Vac region is known for some of the most stunning landscapes in Vietnam. Towering mountains, misty valleys, and winding roads, everything's surreal. Along the way, we hiked on this mountain trail. I couldn't believe I bumped into a fellow Canadian. She noticed my gear and asked, "Are you on one of those motorcycle tours?" "Yes," I replied, "aren't you?" "No," she said, "I'm too nervous to try that. We're riding in a van instead." I smiled and told her I had the same fear before starting, but honestly, riding on the back of this motorbike has been an incredible experience. This view above the No Quay River was unbelievable. We had requested a boat tour along the river, unsure if it would actually happen, but our guide made it work. While the rest of the group continued up the mountain and did another enjoyable hike, our family made our way down to the river for our boat tour. Once we arrived at the destination, our guide quickly took care of the tickets, making the process smooth and easy for us. Then we waited for the shuttle to take us down to the boats. Everyone was so excited to board the vessels, ready to cruise through the stunning mountain landscape and have a nice adventure on the water. The boat tour was incredibly relaxing, offering us a peaceful glide through the water, with the amazing views from a whole new perspective. Fun fact, this river originates in China and flows into Vietnam. Unfortunately, there's another sign urging visitors not to give money or candies to the local children, because if so, they may not go to school. We regrouped at another breathtaking lookout point, but the thick clouds made it difficult to see. Thankfully, as we continued our journey, the skies cleared, revealing the incredible scenery around us. We stopped to enjoy a warm cup of coffee at a beautiful location.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Riding on the back of the bike, free to take in the stunning views without the need to focus on driving, was such a great experience. I felt much more relaxed than I ever expected.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Our group tour was perfect, just 7 of us, which made it feel more personal and enjoyable. Every night at the homestays, we'd also cross paths with another group of travelers. Interesting to also meet other people. Yet another perfect spot to stop, stretch our legs, and take in the surroundings. After another exciting day on the motorbike, we arrived at our homestay for the evening. The cozy bungalows look straight out of a storybook, nestled perfectly in peaceful surroundings, making it feel like we had stepped into a fairy tale. Once again, we opted to pay a little extra to stay in the bungalow section of the homestay, which offered both comfort and privacy. A big shout out to our booking agent Thean, who did an excellent job organizing everything. We'll leave his contact information in the description below. And of course, the evening ended with a fun karaoke party for anyone who wanted to join. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and watch for the Ha Giang Loop Day 3.